Hey there, Cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and today I have an unboxing of the Gancube 356M. It's the new budget series of the Gancubes. I'm really eager to test this cube. I hope you guys are too. Yeah, you get it. So, first of all, let's see what's on the box. You have Gan, 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 and Gan. And a warning. Okay, all jokes aside, I'm really excited to unbox this cube. My previous Gan was the normal 356 Air. So yeah, this is my first magnetic GAN I bought. Let's do this. So in this box you have the cube and some accessories. So I'm first gonna open the cube. Really neat packaging. How does this open? Okay, here it is. First of all, I really like the shades. They are more distinguishable than my other GAN I have. First turns, it's super smooth and quiet. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I don't have such a quiet cube in my collection yet. This is really satisfying to turn. Let's see what GES nut they've installed. It's the blue one. It's with the IPG mechanism, so you don't have to worry about evenly tensioning your cube, which is super nice. It has 3 settings, I guess, from light tensioning to hard tensioning. Yeah, I didn't check what tension it was on. Let me check. It is on 0.6. You have 0.8 and 0. Huh. Okay. So from the box, the tensions are good for me, I guess. What's up with this cap? Oh, it clicks. So yeah, the tensions, the corner cutting out of the box. Let's test it. Yeah, 45. Not quite 45, but yeah, it's great nevertheless. Reverse. Oh, reverse does a really great job. Woo! Look at that. Over the center. Yeah. So reverse corner cutting, also great. Let's check out the mechanism real quick. I don't know if I can pry a piece out. Yeah. So this is, oh, it's quite lubed inside. As you can see, it's with the yellow magnets. You can't interchange the magnets because it's a more budget cube, but I feel the magnets are quite good. Not too strong, not too light. So yeah, this is the mechanism. Let's pry a corner out. So yeah, this is the corner piece. It's with the honeycomb design. The thing I've noticed is the honeycomb design is only on one side, and the other side of the edge is smooth. The corner pieces are honeycomb all over. Here you have the magnet. Yeah, so cool. Let's take it further apart. What I see is it has a clear core with the IPG feature. So yeah, you can't go wrong with that, because if you have to tension your cube with screws, I find it oh, what did I do? If you have to tension your cube with screws, it tends to have an unequal tension all over, or you have to put a lot of effort into it to get it right. What I also saw is you have the honeycomb design on the corner stock. So that's really neat. I thought it was... Is that a first? I don't know, but okay, neat. Let's put it back together. Oh, that was wrong. So yeah, it's back together. I'm gonna scramble this. Let's do a quick solve. Okay, so it is quite, how do you say it? It is quite satisfying to solve on this cube because it's so smooth. Yeah, it is a really nice cube. I don't know if this will be my main. My current main is the Moyu GTS 3M. I have to play with it a little bit more and I'll see if I'll main it, but it is very promising and it doesn't break your bank account like other Gancubes. Okay, yeah, that being said, I'm gonna look at what's in the accessories box. So you have a GAN bag, really nice. Yeah, it's your ultimate PB renewer. Cool, it has a great feel to it too. I didn't have any cube bags until now, so cool. You have the generic GAN pamphlet, I guess. With the first GAN I got this pamphlet laminated, and I still use it, so it's great that it's in here. It has all the algorithms you need. I just need to learn them. Okay, what's next? It has the purple, yellow and green springs. So I'll have to try them out. I guess the green ones are the lightest, or is it the blue? I don't know. Let me check. Oh wow, I was totally wrong about this. So the blue springs are... So the purple springs are the lightest, then the blue, and then the green. Okay, so you have the purple springs, the blue springs are inside the cube, green springs and yellow. So you have a quite good variety to choose from, which is neat. So yeah, this is it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Gancube 356M. It's a very promising cube. If you want to order this cube, I'll put a link in the description to buy it at Cubes UK. I have a personal discount code there, which is Belgian SC5. I put the code in my description too. It gives you a 5% discount on your order, and it supports me too, so thank you if you order with my code. It really means a lot to me. It helps me further. Also, if you want, you can check out my Instagram page at Belgian Speedcuber. And as always, I hope you like this video. Belgian Speedcuber out.